be our best leader and me.
Raising their voices in celebration of leadership, Michael C. Riley Elementary School is hosting its annual Leadership Day. This year's event is honoring the school's namesake. Families, educators, and special guests are visiting classrooms and exploring student projects, all inspired by Michael C. Riley's legacy.
We're teaching parents about Michael Christopher Riley, about how he was a church leader, a restaurant owner, and a store owner, and did a lot for the community.
He owned a restaurant, a grocery store, and he was a choir leader at church.
Guests are also taking part in an art walk, showcasing Lowcountry-inspired creations the students have been working on. The school is proud every grade level has been learning about Michael C. Riley and his leadership qualities.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.
This year, we're so excited to be studying the life of Michael C. Riley and his impact on our community and how that ties into the habits. So students were learning about how they can turn that into leadership roles today.
During the student-led event, guests are also learning about Leader in Me and how students are applying leadership skills every day based on Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Leadership.
My favorite habit is seek first, understand habit 5, because you have to seek first, and then when you learned everything, and then you understand everything that you're supposed to do.
My favorite habit personally is synergy, because if you synergize, you can get things done better and quicker.
This year marks the school's 4th Lighthouse recertification. Achieving Lighthouse status represents a high level of recognition within Leader in Me.
Are you proud to be an eagle? Yes, we are.
At Michael C. Riley Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.